Good afternoon, I'm Jeff Smith.
And I'm Gina Quattrochi. Thank you for joining us. Developing news tonight in a story News 18 has been following for several weeks. The state files a formal lawsuit against Tippecanoe Waste Removal for failing to collect trash after taking payments from several hundred customers.
News 18's Krista Henery has more on the lawsuit that was filed at the Tippecanoe County Courthouse.
Indiana Attorney General Greg Zoeller filed the suit here at the Tippecanoe County Courthouse earlier this morning. He says this is the first step to getting justice for consumers.
The violations of our consumer statutes are ones that we have to quickly move in and try to protect the interests of the consumers.
And in this case, Zoeller says Tippecanoe Waste Removal took payments from hundreds of customers without collecting their trash.
We have a list of 318 people who have filed a consumer complaint with our office, but we really don't know how many people are affected until we get a court involved so we can get access to the corporate records.
The lawsuit states that customers were asked to make upfront payments during November and December of 2013 for, at a minimum, the next 3 months of trash pickup. The suit goes on to say despite taking payments from customers, the company then failed to pick up trash beginning in late December and then closed its doors on January 9th.
These are just the people who have filed a formal complaint, so we serve in that capacity, but when we see how many people will represent all of the consumers affected.
The suit goes on to say that reported consumer losses range from $10 to more than $230, totaling nearly $16,000.
They were giving discounts if you paid in advance, and this is all prior to going under. So the question of when they knew that they weren't going to be able to perform, those are going to be issues for the court.
Zoeller says if there are any other customers who have found themselves in the same place, they can still file a formal complaint with the Attorney General's office. Reporting from the Tippecanoe County Courthouse, Krista Henery, News 18.